Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new here. So for today's video, you guys, I'm bringing you a lot of motivation. I have some cleaning for you guys. I have some laundry. I'm also going to put away some clothes. So if this is something that interests you, please go ahead and press the subscribe button, and don't forget to like and comment down below, and let's get into it. So here I'm just changing the garbage bag, and I like to go around in the bedrooms and the bathroom and just take all the trash cans and empty them in this big one, and then just put it in the trash. So right now I'm cleaning the bins with the Mr. Clean, and I'm really loving this, you guys. It became one of my favorite products. I saw this hack on a YouTube channel, and you just put a few drops of essential oil on a paper towel, and then you put it in the garbage, and then it will smell a bit fresher. Okay, so in the kitchen, you guys, I had to wash the dishes, I had to wipe the counters, had to wipe the stove, and also the range hood. I really needed to clean that. Like, it was really disgusting, you guys. There was so much oil everywhere. And I also bought the fans that go on top. I'm not sure how you call those. I think they're called screens. And I thought I bought one, but it ended up being two inside the pack. You guys are gonna see that later on in the video. And yeah, so basically what I did is I just stuck them together and I put tape until I go buy a new one, and I haven't done that yet, so I'm hoping I will go this week to do that. guys, so I bought this, and in the pack there was two of them instead of one big one, so I made a mistake. So I had to stick it with tape until I go buy another one. The one that I had was really dirty, so I have to throw that in the garbage and go buy a new one. So here I'm just wiping down the stove again because there was a few spices all over. Guys, Walmart has the cutest kitchen towels and they're so cheap compared to HomeSense. This one was just $3.99. So my closet was a bit messy, so I just decided to fold all my clothes again so it doesn't get out of hand. Guys, if you made it this far, thank you so much for watching. I hope I gave you the motivation to clean something in your home. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. Bye for now, guys. I'll see you in the next one.